So CrowdStrike stock crashed again. So in this video, I will review my game plan on how to deal with this drop here. So CrowdStrike on 22nd July, you can see, they undergo another crash, okay? And on that day itself, it drops around 13.46%. So what really happened? So in this video, this is what you will learn. First, I will share with you why CrowdStrike stock crashed again. And next, how do we approach a stock decline? And of course, what should we do with Crowd now? And of course, I will review to you my own personal game plan for this stock. Yeah. So let's go to the first topic. Why CrowdStrike stock crashed again? Because a lot of the analysts, all right, they downgrade CrowdStrike stock. So when they downgraded it, that means they give it, a much lower price, and then the market, just reacted to it. It's just that simple. And then not only that, to make things worse, CrowdStrike CEO George Kurtz, got called by the US Congress, to testify here on the outage. So this doesn't really, give a very positive view on CrowdStrike currently, yeah. And not only that, they are, potential news, that CrowdStrike will give compensation. All right, because this person here, the president, the CrowdStrike president, Michael here, he confirmed that he's preparing to compensate companies affected by last week's mass outage. So a lot of this news together with the downgrades, is the one that causes the share price to drop. Yeah. But I want to tell you guys this potential compensation here, to highlight to you guys, a lot of the analysts say they anticipate higher costs and legal expenses. So that's why they downgrade it. But just for our own information, you need to know, all right, that CrowdStrike has a clause, that protects them from all of these liabilities. Yeah, they are not liable to any software, user, all right, for any lost profits, loss of business opportunities and stuff. And they are only liable, to an amount that exceeds, in aggregate of only $100. So this is limitation of liability, under their contract. So for now, they are protected in terms, legally. But how it goes, their plan to compensate, we need to dig out and understand further news. Yeah. Okay. Next one. How to approach a stock decline. Now, my video here, all right, is more to guide and educate stock investors. So if you are a stock trader, you are trading in and out, you're using technical analysis, perhaps, this guide may not be for you. Yeah. But of course, if you are a value investor or fundamental investor, that, invest in stocks for the long term, then this approach is for you. Okay. So first things first, ignore news from the media. Right, a lot of people got fearful, and got, confused. It's because of the news headlines by the media. They like to sensationalize, every single event to get eyeballs. Then the secondly is we need to refer facts, from the primary source. Refer to the company's information. Don't read direct from the media. Read direct from the stocks company. Then we need to identify whether the problem is external or internal problem. Of course, if an external problem that causes the issue on the company, then we are not so concerned. But just too bad, this round here, CrowdStrike, this one is caused internally, all right, internal. So it's a bit of a concern. But of course, then the next thing we need to take a look at is whether it's a temporary or permanent issue. But then again, based on preliminary, research and our understanding, right, it seems, this outage is, just a error on one of their employees. So we feel right now is a temporary issue. Yeah. So and of course, we need to continue to monitor the company's performance and continue to focus on the long term. Now, the keyword here is focus on the long term. Why is that? If you all still remember Meta in 2022 to 2023, can you still remember, that the price once dropped 75%? Why? Because at that time, people were concerned. Meta were losing money building their metaverse, all right? And then not only that, there was also news saying TikTok is taking market share from Meta. So everyone was very concerned, very fearful, and then they just dumped the stock like that. But then again, can you know what happened right now? Stock continued to go back up. So apparently what they all say previously is not true by the media. They were sensationalized. So for those who know how to filter out the noises and focus on the company, they know what are they doing and they believe the company is still performing, will be rewarded in the future. That's provided if you're a long-term investor. Next, Netflix. Again, a powerful stock dropped 72%. Very, very quite fearful. For a stock to be able to drop 72%, people may think this stock is gone already. All right. So, but then again, what happened? Because of Disney Plus. They all say, wow, they're taking market share, and then Roku also taking market share. And then, Netflix cannot grow already and stuff. So again, fearful news, again, price drop. Then again, what happened? It seems that, hey, Netflix business not really affected, all right? And then they are still growing. So again, share price go up. Then another one, Palantir. If you still remember, stock also dropped 75%. Why? News going to say that this company cannot win government contract. Hedge funds or other funds selling the stock. Okay, they cannot grow commercially, too slow. Those were the news at that time. And that's why the market got fearful and they dumped the stock. Then what happened today? Suddenly they say Palantir is the next company to take advantage of AI. They're the best of the best. They can now take grow commercially. So news can just change in just overnight, and then suddenly they say this stock nothing hold, and then the price go up. So the lesson here I want to tell you guys is this: whether the news is good or bad, it will always depend on the direction of the stock price. Take note of this. If a stock price decline, you will never see good news. It will always be bad news. But if the stock price increase, then you will only see good news. This is how the media works. So it's no wonder people buy high, sell low. Because the price cannot increase very high already. There's a lot of positive, people buy high. Then when the price starts to go down, they post bad news, make you very fearful, and then you make the wrong decision, and then you sell low, you lose money. So don't be like this. Okay? And that is why we need to be a contrarian investor. We need to learn how to filter out the market noise and focus on company fundamentals. When I say that, what I mean is we need to follow up with the company. Okay, we need to continue to follow up. And this is how we take advantage, of any stock price decline. So you can see we have been correct before. CrowdStrike at that time dropped 66%. Okay, and the BIA community has been following up, has been researching, and we feel that this company is nothing wrong. They continue growing very strongly. And that is why during the decline, we have been, taking a lot of action, and owning this stock, and then just be patient. And then finally in 2023, the stock rebounded strongly. And a lot of our members, including ourselves, make a lot of money from this stock. Then again, right now, we feel it could be a second opportunity for investors who could have missed out on this company. Yeah. So we have been following this stock for I think 2-3 years already. There's a lot of discussion here. So we will definitely be providing such updates to you. Yeah. So again, we will provide you news and updates on CrowdStrike moving forward. So if you like this kind of updates, do remember to click subscribe, all right, and click on the notification so you won't miss the video. All right. Okay. So what should we do with Crowd right now? Okay, what should we do? Now, first, be prepared. Be prepared for, you will read a lot of complaints by the affected companies. Like I said, the stock price went down. So there will be a lot of negative news headlines. You won't find any good news from them. So just be prepared, by a lot of negative press. Be ready for constant negative news. Okay? And the market right now will, of course, be fearful. So don't expect the stock price currently will rebound immediately. You won't. Market currently is very fearful already. Okay? So this is the thing that we need to take note. Then short to medium term risk. Take note also, all right, CrowdStrike, as a cybersecurity company, you must understand brand and reputation is very important. Okay, because of this issue here, their brand and reputation currently is at stake. There's a lot of negative perception. Perception only is not the company performance. The perception right now is quite negative. It may be difficult to get new customers moving forward. Now, this is our view. Okay, new customers, again, like I said, there is some, a negative perception currently, so it could be difficult to get new customers, right? They need to continue rebuild the trust and confidence. And of course, we do not know the compensation amount, how it works. Okay, what is the legal cost? What is the compensation? Currently, it's still unknown. We do not know that. All right. So this is my personal game plan. Yeah. Now, number one, we all know the best returns comes after a major stock decline. Okay, we like to buy undervalued stocks. That's why in the year 2022, a lot of the stocks that got bashed up, that's the time that a lot of people who dares to believe in the company, they all make a lot of money. Okay. But of course, do remember, when I say undervalued, I don't mean the price drop a lot. That's undervalued. No. Okay, a lot of people make this mistake. Undervalued means the market mispriced the stock. Okay, they mispriced it, but the company is actually still doing well. Okay, no point. Okay, if the company mispriced it, means the market dropped, but the company is actually doing bad. Then yes, it's justified. What we want is to own companies or even buy companies that actually still do well, but the market temporarily misunderstood the company or even mispriced it, and we want to take advantage of it. Okay, so do remember. Okay, I still need more certainty. Okay, the stock price declining for CrowdStrike, I understand. All right, but I still need more certainty. Okay, because moving forward, cross business, currently we still need to find a lot of information still from them. So I need more certainty. Yeah. And yes, a lot of people may refer to this quote, by Warren Buffett. The best thing that happened to us is when a great company gets into temporary trouble, we want to buy them when they're on the operating table. Correct. Okay, this is our approach. Okay, when I say this above here, okay, I want to buy a company, when it's undervalued, when the stock price is declined. But then I want to make sure if you want to buy them on the operating table, you must make sure they survive after the operation, right? Right? Okay, because you don't want to buy after they go to operation, then they die off. Very, very bad. You don't own this. Okay, and that's why, like I said, I want to remind you guys, I will need more certainty moving forward. Okay, so again, these are the issues we as investors need to take note of. Will there be legal claims? How much is the compensation? And what is the customer sentiment now? Can Crowd continue to win new customers? And how will this affect Crowd's financials moving forward? So these are all the concerns, that we need it to be answered. Okay, currently right now, we still do not have much information on this. Okay, so again, let me tell you guys, as a vigilant and long-term investor, I am not buying or selling Crowd now. Okay, you do not, don't make hasty decisions and don't make emotional decisions. All right. So again, you need to get more certainty first. Okay, get to need more certainty before you make any solid decisions. All right. So again, this is my game plan. Okay, we need to follow up with Crowd's news. We need to monitor for the next 1 to 2 quarters, and of course, valuation is a consideration. Okay, so this is the part how the BIA take opportunity, and identify opportunity is when the stock price decline, when we get this kind of information firsthand from the company. All right, we know what's happening, we are clear already, and the market still don't know, okay, about the potential of this company, and that's when we decided to take action. All right, and then we leave it. Okay, think for the long term and wait for the market to realize the mistake, and the share price will rebound when they know, okay, that the company is actually performing well. Yeah. So again, guys, we will update you our strategy and moves moving forward in our future videos. All right. So again, guys, if you like this type of content, all right, do consider again to subscribe, because we will update you news, okay, on CrowdStrike. We will also provide their quarterly results analysis, and of course, together with our thoughts and opinions. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Okay, and I hope to update you guys again on CrowdStrike in our next video. So do again, remember to subscribe. Thanks again, guys.